Picture this, 78% of full-time employed professionals live paycheck to paycheck. Yes, you heard it right. In today's bustling world, this astonishing figure is the cold truth about personal finance. It's a harsh reality that many of us, despite our high-flying careers and busy lifestyles, are just a paycheck away from financial insecurity. You might be wondering, how can this be? Professionals, after all, are supposed to be the epitome of success and financial stability. But the truth is, the hectic pace of our lives often leaves us little time to manage our finances effectively. We're so engrossed in the daily grind that we overlook the importance of financial planning. In the United States alone, more than half of adults admit they do not have a budget. Meanwhile, a staggering 2/3 of Americans would struggle to scrounge up $1,000 in an emergency. And let's not even get started on retirement savings. More than 1 in 3 Americans has saved less than $5,000 for their golden years. These alarming statistics paint a grim picture of the financial health of working professionals. But why should we be concerned? Well, financial stability isn't just about having money in the bank. It's about having the freedom to make choices, the peace of mind to sleep at night, and the confidence to face life's unexpected twists and turns. Without a solid financial foundation, we are always on shaky ground, constantly worrying about the next bill, the next emergency, the next unexpected expense. This financial stress doesn't just affect our wallets, it takes a toll on our mental and physical health, our relationships, and our overall quality of life. So, it's clear, we need to take control of our personal finances, not just for our sake, but for the sake of our families, our futures, and our well-being. So, what can be done to avoid falling into this financial pitfall? Let's dive into some personal finance hacks that can help. Why bother about personal finance, you might ask? Well, it's not just about accumulating wealth. Imagine you're standing at the foot of a mountain. The peak is your life's ambition, be it a comfortable retirement, sending your kids to college, or even buying that dream house. The path to the top, that's your personal finance journey. It's about much more than just accumulating wealth. It's about financial security, achieving life goals, and reducing stress. Let's break that down. First up, financial security. It's the safety net that catches you when life throws curveballs your way. An unexpected medical bill, a sudden job loss, or an urgent home repair. These are all instances where a well-planned personal finance strategy can keep you afloat. Next, we have life goals. These are your dreams, your aspirations, the things that give your life purpose. Whether it's a world tour, a brand new car, or your child's education, every goal requires funds. Personal finance planning helps you systematically save and grow your money to achieve these milestones. Lastly, reduce stress. Money worries are a leading cause of stress worldwide. But when you have a handle on your personal finance, you're in control. You know where your money is going, you have a plan, and that can significantly reduce stress levels. Now, don't be disheartened if you're just starting out or if you've made mistakes in the past. Even small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger. Similarly, even a small savings habit or a minor budget adjustment can snowball into significant wealth over time. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. The same applies to your financial journey. Start now, start small, but start. The path to financial security and achieving your life goals is paved with the bricks of personal finance. Today's decisions shape tomorrow's realities. So, take that first step and keep moving forward. Now that we know why personal finance matters, it's time to explore some simple hacks that can help busy professionals manage their finances better. Let's kick things off with budgeting. Consider budgeting as your financial map. It gives you a clear view of where your money is going and how much you're saving. Start by jotting down your income and expenses. You can use a simple spreadsheet or go digital with budgeting apps. Remember, the goal here isn't to restrict your spending, but to create a plan that allows you to enjoy your money while also saving for the future. Next, let's talk about investing. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's just about making your money work for you. Think of it as planting a seed today for a tree that'll bear fruits tomorrow. Start small, perhaps with a low-risk mutual fund or a retirement account. The sooner you start, the more time you give your money to grow. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. There are plenty of resources and user-friendly platforms that can guide you through the process. Now, on to savings. We've all heard the phrase, a penny saved is a penny earned. But how many of us actually put it into practice? Here's a hack. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account. This way, you're saving money before you even see it. Trust me, it's a lot easier to save when you don't have to think about it. And while we're on the topic, consider building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net can save you from financial stress. And lastly, don't forget to pay yourself first. No, this doesn't mean splurging on the latest gadget or designer bag. Paying yourself first means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you pay your bills or other expenses. This simple shift in mindset can make a big difference in your financial health. And there you have it, simple, practical hacks to help busy professionals manage their finances. From budgeting and investing to saving and paying yourself first, these strategies can help you take control of your money and pave the way for financial success. With these hacks, managing your finances doesn't have to be a daunting task. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll dive deeper into the world of personal finance and tackle some common financial challenges. So keep watching because we're just getting started. Implementing these hacks is just the beginning. The road to financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's a journey that requires continuous learning, adapting, and growing. Just like in any other aspect of life, the financial landscape is ever changing. New investment opportunities arise, tax laws evolve, and markets fluctuate. It's not enough to simply set up a savings account or invest in a handful of stocks. No, to truly master your personal finances, you must stay informed and be ready to adapt your strategies as needed. But don't let this overwhelm you. Rather, let it inspire you. Each change, each new piece of information is an opportunity to refine your financial strategy and get one step closer to your goals. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are countless resources available to help you navigate the world of personal finance. Books, online courses, finance professionals, they're all there, ready to help you take control of your financial future and what a future it could be. Imagine a life where your finances are not a source of stress, but a tool for achieving your dreams. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or simply having the freedom to live life on your terms, financial literacy can open the door to endless possibilities. Remember, the power to shape this future is in your hands. It's up to you to take the reins, to make the decisions that will lead you down the road to financial freedom. It won't always be easy. There will be bumps along the way, perhaps even detours. But with each challenge comes the opportunity for growth, for learning, for progress. So don't wait. Start today. Start with the hacks we've discussed, then continue to learn, to grow, to adapt. Your journey to financial freedom is just beginning, and the road ahead is full of promise. Remember, your financial health is in your hands. Are you ready to take the reins? Now that we've scratched the surface of personal finance, it's time to delve deeper. Are you ready to take a step further into the world of personal finance? Our upcoming video, Understanding and Overcoming Financial Challenges, is a must-watch for you. It's time to unpack the complexities of financial hurdles and, more importantly, learn how to overcome them. Imagine gaining insights into the most common financial challenges and having the tools to tackle them head-on. Picture yourself developing a robust financial strategy armed with knowledge and confidence. We'll explore practical solutions, easy-to-grasp concepts, and real-life scenarios that will help you navigate the choppy waters of personal finance. Our next video is more than just a guide. It's a roadmap to financial stability and success. It's about turning financial challenges into opportunities for growth. Hello, my friends. You've reached the end of the video, and I want to express my sincere gratitude for sticking around until the conclusion. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate your time and engagement. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to show some love by hitting the like button. I value your feedback, so please drop a comment below letting me know your thoughts. My channel focuses on producing entertaining documentary-style videos covering topics related to business, finance, and life in general. If that aligns with your interests, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Thank you again for being part of this journey, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. See you in the next one. Join us in our next video where we'll talk about understanding and overcoming financial challenges. See you in the next video.